In this video, I'm going to show you how to make public profile on Snapchat under 18. We will be doing a few tweaks to your profile for us to proceed with the public profile. So first, go to Snapchat. So the first thing you want to do is click on the recent story that you just posted or your profile. Just scroll down a bit and you'll be able to see the create public profile. But if you're under 18 and you aren't able to see this option here, we are going to tweak a few options here. So go ahead and go to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see the gear icon. Just hit on it, and you'll be able to see your birthday. So here you can just change your birthday to at least to 18 years old to 19 years old at least. And then what you want to do next is go down to your privacy settings, and we'll be changing a few things on that. So here in privacy control, you can see the contact me. You could set this to friends and contacts and just set it to everyone. Once you've done that, you could use the other settings and just set it to everyone. But be informed that doing this will release most of your information here online. So, especially if you're under 18, I'll give you a warning that releasing your info online can be dangerous. So, do this with someone with a guardian or someone supervising you. That will be much better for you. So once you've done all of those, you could just go back and you should be able to see the public profile section here. And hopefully this video is helpful to you. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.